Welcome to Lexus of Richmond Hill. Today we'll be looking at this beautiful 2023 Lexus IS500 Performance, finished in ultra white with Circuit Red Nuluxe interior. This vehicle features a powerful engine, rear-wheel drive, 8-speed transmission, amazing safety features, an upgraded sound system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and more. You don't want to miss this. Under the hood, you'll find a naturally aspirated 5-liter V8 engine that generates 472 horsepower and takes you from 0 to 100 in 4.6 seconds. This vehicle has a staggered stance, and to give it an even more aggressive look, you get a gloss black diffuser, 19-inch wheels, and a rear spoiler. Inside, you'll notice the F-Sport steering wheel and the 10.3-inch display screen to control all your functions for settings, sound, radio, and more. Come and check out this 2023 IS500 Performance, now available at Lexus of Richmond Hill. See you soon!